Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 Pro, and let me share with you what to do if one of the apps is keep crashing all of the time. So we've got several different steps which we can take in order to simply remove the problem. Obvious one, the first one which we should take is to restart our device. It is quite a simple operation, but it really helps. So all you have to do is to press the power button and volume up button together, and then tap on restart. After restarting, check the app. There is a possibility that the problem will be fixed. If that doesn't work, no worries. Let's enter the settings. We'll try to forcefully turn off the app and clear cache. So here in the settings, we have to scroll and then go to the apps and tap on Manage Apps. Then in this list, find the app which keeps crashing. So let's pretend it is Facebook in my case. Usually you will be able to tap on Force Stop. Let me maybe because I'm not really using the Facebook, so probably that's why I cannot do that. So here we've got the contacts. We've got this Force Stop option, so we can tap on it and tap on Force Stop, and then let's go to the storage and clear cache. It should help. After that, I highly recommend to restart your device again, so to just confirm all of the changes. The second thing which we can do, or the third thing which we can do, is to check for the updates, because sometimes our apps will crash because of the old version, and the updates sometimes can fix all of those problems. So we have to go to the Play Store. Let's tap on it. Of course, you will be able to follow all of my steps here if you've got your Google account added to the device, or you can log in after entering the Play Store. If you're not sure how to do it, I highly recommend to check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So in the Play Store, we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available right here. So here in this list, you have to try to find the app which is crashing, because there is a possibility that here we will have the update, which we can simply download. After finding, just mark the option and then tap on this update icon. So that was another way of fixing that. What is more, if we are in this update subject, we can try to check for the updates of the system updates. So now let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. And here at the top we've got Software Update. And here your device will check for it. And of course, if you've got a new update pending, I highly recommend to simply tap on Download or Install. It should appear somewhere here. And then update the software. Sometimes it also helps because it contains the fixes for the apps which are pre-installed on the device. The last option, which you can also check or try to do if the app is crashing, is to basically uninstall it and then install again. You can do it in the Play Store again. So let's enter the Play Store, tap on this, or maybe we can simply enter the search section, and let me just enter the Facebook. Here we've got it. So after tapping on it, your device should search for the Facebook. Here we've got it. As you can see, we've got this open option. It won't be available if you've got if the app is not installed, like here, for example, ChatGPT. So let's tap on this Facebook, and after entering, you can simply tap on Uninstall. So let me do it. Uninstall. Your device will uninstall everything, so the Facebook is not available in this device right now, and after that tap on Install and your device will install it again, and this option also could help if the app is not working. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.